Alright, I have the R18 apart. I have an update. I spoke to the supplier I got this from, and they did the tracking on their end of the parts, and the parts package has gone missing, so they're mailing me a new replacement ignition module, but right now we need to seal this cylinder liner into the cylinder here, so we get the water reservoir on this side not having blow-by from the hole from the ignition. So, time to try this again. Remember, the last time I did this, I was very careful to try and keep from getting too much goo everywhere, but this time I'm gonna just try to apply more of this black silicone and see if we can get it to seal in there. I started by taking all these parts off and going to the garage and spraying them all with brake cleaner so there's no oil or residue on any of them from either the last time that I did the sealing or, before that, because I don't remember if I fully cleaned them the last time either. So squirt out a lump of sealant, and then we're going to apply it using this toothpick. So, and I've taken all the O-rings off of this as well, so I'm going to need to install them one at a time, and each time they go into the next spot, then they will roll over and continue down, because these are all 5 rings and they're all the same size. So alright. And as we assemble this, the thing we have to remember is to finish with all the holes lined up, because there's the hole here for the spark plug, that hole there is for this oil cup, and then the hole on the side for the intake valve. So go. First pair in. This is where it gets harder because I've got less room to spread this across both of these rings here. That hole is lined up. The intake valve is clear. Alright. And this is the head gasket. Make sure I grab the head bolts. Okay, well, here's hoping I got that right this time. Otherwise, it's going to be real disappointing to fix that again, but, and honestly, I don't know what the next approach I'll take is. If I can't get that to work the way I want it to, I might have to either switch to oil or come up with something. We'll figure something out for that. But for now, I'll let that cure, and then we'll be ready to put this back together.